shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Hello, little angels. How are you? I hope you're fine. I am fine too. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Now, we did addition patterns. We did for number 2, we did for number 3, and now let's try and do number 4 and 5. Who can remind me the rule for counting patterns for number 5, counting in 5s? Who can remind me the rules? We said the number ends with a 0 or a 5. Very good. For example, if I'm given here 70, 75, 80, 85, and they're asking me which one is the next number? Which one is the next number? First of all, just look at your numbers. 0 and 5, 0 and 5. Which means the answer that you're supposed to get must end with a 0. The answer you must get here must end with a 0. So let's see. If I do 70 plus 5, it will be 75. Then 75 plus 5 gives me an 80. Then 80 plus 5 gives me an 85. And 85 plus 5 gives me a 90. Very good. Now, what if I'm told to find the missing number in the number pattern of 4? I have been told I have 64, 68, 72, dash, 70, 72, then this one is 8. Find the missing number. Which one will be the missing number? Who can help me calculate the missing number? So I will come and ask myself, if I do 64, how many am I supposed to add on to get 68? So I'll say 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So already I have found out that my addition pattern is adding 4. So it will be 68. What? 68 plus 4 again will give me 72. Then 72 plus 4 gives me, what does it give me? 72 plus 4 gives me 76. So what is our missing number? Our missing number is 76. They can still do it with other numbers. What if I'm given, I've done the 5, I've done the 4. What if I'm given 3? I've given here 30, 33, 36, dash, 42. Then they're saying find the missing number. Remember the other pattern, we were filling in the last number, but this one now the number comes in the middle. So you ask yourself, how does the pattern flow? From 30 to 33. From 30 to 33, how do we go it? 30 to 33, we say 33, 30, 31, 32, 33. We are counting on. So they are asking the missing number, not the next number. So we are saying 30 plus 3 gives us 33. Then 33 plus 3 gives us 36. Then 36 plus 3 gives us, we go 36, 37, 38, 39. So the missing number here is 39. Wow, you see the way it's easy? Very easy. So if you're told now, complete these patterns. Complete the pattern. And I'm told I have 65, then I have 66, I have 67, dash 69. Help me complete this pattern very fast. Help me complete this pattern very, very fast. I have 25, 30, 35, dash 45. Help me complete the pattern very fast. And I have another one written in 23, 26, dash, 32, and 35. So, before you go for break, make sure you bring that work for marking first. Are we together? Make sure you finish that work before you go for break. Any problem? Any question? Is that okay? Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.